Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Insightly Gmail integration for contact logging. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Insightly account. Navigate to the settings menu on the top right corner of the page. Scroll down and select email integration from the list. Look for the option labeled Gmail integration. Click on Connect to Gmail to initiate the integration process. A new window will appear, prompting you to log into your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail credentials and click Next. Once signed in, you'll be asked to grant Insightly permission to access your Gmail. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. After this, you'll be redirected back to the Insightly settings page. You should now see your Gmail account linked under the email integration section. Next, navigate to the contact logging settings. Enable contact logging by toggling the appropriate switch. You can now customize the logging options according to your preference. Choose whether to log emails from specific contacts or all emails. Once your settings are configured, click Save Changes to apply them. To test the integration, send an email to a contact from your Gmail account. Check your Insightly contact list to ensure the email has been logged. If successful, you have completed the configuration for Insightly Gmail integration. Congratulations on setting up the contact logging feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.